In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 500 internal server error on Hostinger. This common error can be quite frustrating if you're managing a website, but don't worry. I'll guide you through the process of resolving it quickly and effectively. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Hostinger account. Once there, navigate to the homepage. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. You'll typically find it by clicking on the Hostinger logo or by following a direct link to the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to locate the Websites tab. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all your hosted websites. By clicking on it, you'll see a list of the websites you currently have hosted with Hostinger. Be sure to select the website that's currently experiencing the 500 error. It's crucial to choose the right one, especially if you have multiple sites hosted, to ensure you're troubleshooting the correct instance. After selecting the appropriate website, you'll be directed to the dashboard specific to that site. The dashboard serves as a command center where you can access various settings and management features for your site. It's here that you'll look for the section labeled Error Pages. This section is where you can view and manage the various error pages related to your website. These error pages can give you insight into what might be causing the 500 error, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area. Click on Error Pages, and it will bring up any errors that have been logged related to your website. Now, to potentially resolve the 500 error, you'll want to look for an option labeled Reset. Clicking Reset will attempt to clear any custom configurations that may be causing the problem, reverting these settings to their original state. Sometimes, code changes or other technical adjustments might lead to configuration issues, so resetting the error pages can often rectify these problems. As a final note, while resetting can solve many 500 error issues, if you find that the problem persists, consider reaching out to Hostinger's customer support for further assistance. Their team can help diagnose more intricate issues that might be affecting your website's performance. And that's it. You've now learned how to tackle a 500 internal server error using Hostinger's platform. Remember, staying patient and methodical is key when resolving technical issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let me know. Happy troubleshooting, and I'll see you in the next video.